My primary reason for writing the book was to help people avoid unnecessary shoulder surgery. When I realized that 95% of the surgery that is done on the shoulder is unnecessary, I then felt it was really a moral obligation to get this book into print and make it available for people. I have had hundreds of people write to me telling me about how successful they were at healing their own shoulder pain. When a person raises their arm to the sky, they are engaging a joint that has not been previously recognized. When the arm is lifted in this position, such as if a person were to hang from a bar, the humerus bone is leaning against the acromion bone. The acromion bone being located here. When this happens, the humerus bends the acromion. And in bending the acromion, a person restores the normal anatomy of the shoulder. It is a satisfying feeling to realize from the mail that I have received regarding the book that the book has helped so many people throughout the world. What have you got to lose? Gravity is free. And it is gravity that will allow you to restore your shoulders to normal function.